Good afternoon, folks. Thank you for attending this class for TechNet Geeks. We are going to talk about the opportunity of getting educated through TechNet's offerings and how it benefits you. So, most people who come to us really have few challenges. Some people do not know where to start, what course to take. Some come in saying, I went to college, but they did not guarantee me a job. Well, Um, that's true. A lot of the colleges do not guarantee you a job. They just guarantee you education. Some come in saying that I took a course in the past, but I don't know how to get a job. Some come in saying that, hey, the courses are too expensive. Now, let me tell you, most courses that we teach generally cost you maybe 1 to 2% of what the salary person would make after they finish and get a job using those skills. 1 to 2% of your yearly salary. Okay. Now, challenge number 5. So people say, I have a degree from another country. Now, how do I get a job here leveraging that degree? Well, let me help you with that or these challenges. Now, the courses that we offer really are simple in a couple of different areas. I recommend most people to start from manual testing. Roughly, it is a 4 weeks course. Then take you into automation testing if you want to stay on technical track, generally 8 to 9 weeks. And most people finishing this course roughly start around 80,000 a year. Now, if you want to take a non-technical track, more of a business analyst, that course is also about 8 weeks. And most people finishing that course roughly start around 85,000 or so. And this requires a lot of communication and coordination skills. Um, So you need to have those skills to be good at a job. Now, if you want to stay on technical track, the next level up training is API. It's a 4 weeks training course, and most people finishing that roughly would be making 105,000 or so from the skill set acquired on API testing. You can continue to grow on the technical side and become a software developer. It's also 8 weeks course. Most people doing software development are earning close to 125,000, mostly starting at that level. Now, if you want to stay on non-technical track, I would encourage people to work towards a PMP. We also offer that. It's generally a 6 weeks course, and most people with that skill set or PMP certification range in salary from anywhere from 110 to 185,000 a year. Now, we know there are a lot of people out there who have a legacy knowledge and skill set with system engineering, VMware, Windows systems, Linux, databases, Oracle, SQL, and technology is changing, market is changing, and a lot of things are moving towards AWS or and we actually help people retool themselves to move towards AWS and Python. So we offer those classes as well to retool the people so you can get into the hot market where the average salary for that skill set is about 140,000 a year. Now you can stay on that track or you can move towards PMP, which will help you move towards the management track and you can be a manager. Now, what is different about TechNet Geeks? What makes us better? We have a 6-phase teaching approach. Generally, most people just give you a lecture and say, okay, that's it. We not only give you a lecture, we also give you hands-on exercises. Once you get done with the exercises, or during that time, we'll also give you a lot of reading material. We also give you videos to watch, so you can, and during your downtime, you're still learning. Now, then we come back and challenge you with quizzes so you can recall what you have learned. And we also give you interview questions and answers to help you understand things better. This way, when you go to an interview, you are much more skilled and able to recall the technical areas and non-technical areas of skill set that is essential for you to get a job. Now, post-class, you also have an option. If you want to attend our interview workshops, get resume assistance. We have professional resume maker who will make the resume for you and also create an online profile. We also have placement assistants. They can work with you one-on-one as a group to get you placement in the market. We also help you negotiate a better salary than most people would if you go by themselves. Now, some people are scared and they also need assistance. We also provide 3 months of post-placement assistance. Why do we do that? Well, a lot of people go into the first job and they're scared that you got the first job, but you don't know how to do the work. You're not sure if you can handle that. At times, people think they wish they had a partner who can work with them and coach them through the first job so they can be secure and make it through the probation period. Well, we offer that. We support you with those first 3 months of crucial on the job training. We can work with you while you're working, exchange communication with you, support you through that, and we can also work with you on the weekends when you bring your work in and support you to make sure that you are successful at the first job. Well, there are a lot of jobs out there. There are about 1,600 jobs for business analyst or so, and we also have close to 9,000 jobs that mention software testing. And we have close to 7,800 jobs out there posted under AWS. Now, this is the offering we have. This is how we partner with you, and this is how we support you through the career and through the training that we have and through the post-training of assistance with the resume, job, placement, and work with you while you're working to make sure you can sustain at the job. Please join us at technetgeeks.com and take a course with us so we can help you enhance your career. Thank you.